Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your bank in your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new bank account which you want to add to QuickBooks Online's chart of accounts. How do you actually go ahead and set that up? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that you want to do is log onto your QuickBooks account. Then you want to click on Menu and toggle it down. Highlight Transactions, and then click on Chart of Accounts. Once you click on Chart of Accounts, you want to click on New, and then this is where you can enter your account name. So we'll just say Wells Fargo Bank, and then for the account type, you want to select Bank. So for the detail type, you can select Cash on Hand, Money Market, Checking, Rents Held in Trust, etc., and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up a bank in your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.